We've managed to pick a rainy day. Showery, actually. Showers on and off. So we've been in the woods for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to try the bog. I don't know where Sue's gone. Oh, here she is. No. No.
I think he had some
Gremlins.
Pardon?
Had some gremlins.
Yeah, or it doesn't quite, whatever the word is with yours.
Yeah, compatible.
Yeah.
Or it might have been because it was dull. Because it always is here. Because his is a lot older.
Yeah.
About 9 years old now, his phone.
I didn't realise you'd left your phone on the table. I thought you'd left it at home on the table because you said you.
Oh, no.
So I thought it was all
His?
James's
No.
video, until you said somewhere there that you'd left it on the table.
I think what it was, we came in with loads of bags, like you say,
Yeah.
like we do, and he walked off. He started walking around, and I said, "Where are you going?" He said, "I'm going to have a look and see what's around the corner." So I ran after him. Well, I caught up with him, and
Realised you
didn't
have
even
it.
think of my phone.
Yeah.
It was in one of the bags.
Saying that, I don't know why mine's in here doing nothing.
Well, it's all right. You're not missing much.
No, I haven't been.
Just Bray going around in circles, Nook hiding,
I thought you were going to go in.
and Kane, he's going to eat grass here.
Well, not even both of them here.
I'll just get over here a minute. So I'm getting wet.
Yeah, it has been dark the last few times we've been in here, hasn't it?
Yeah. In fact, it's brighter today when it's raining.
Yeah. Look at that.
That's enough of the cold water. Tell you what, Bray came around here the other day, just there,
Yeah.
and when I was here with James, and he sank right down to his belly, just there, so that's quite boggy.
Just there, where he is now?
No, here,
Over there.
just here in this corner.
Where that wet bit is there.
Yeah. That ready wet bit.
When we came in last, when we came in Bill booked it last week.
Yeah.
You didn't bother going to the bog. And
At
it
all?
was raining. Pardon?
At all.
Well, I think he must have done, but his feet were clean.
Mm.
And the grass was wet, so it washed them.
Yeah, cleaned
Kept
him
them
off.
Yeah. I went in the bog. Well, at least I went
Yeah.
here, but he didn't seem to bother.
Probably thought Bill won't let me back in the car.
I'll have to walk.
Yeah, I'll have to walk home.
Is he looking for Nook? Nook's here.
Who? Bray?
Bray.
I don't know what he's doing. He must have heard you say Nook. Can't make his mind up what he wants to do.
Just quite sinky there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I suppose more so because it's actually raining. When
Could
we've been
do.
in before, it's been
Dry.
dry.
I don't think I've been here in the rain before.
Oh, I have. First
But-
time we ever came here with Jamie
Yeah.
and Sherpa, it was raining. The only time Jamie's ever been here.
Surprised he didn't come back.
Well, we got told off for leaving the van before we realised that
You're not allowed to.
2 vehicles we left in the parking in the turn-in space.
I'm sorry, babe. I've left the treats in the bag.
And the bag's in the car.
I can't remember everything. I've got here myself. And I've got the camera. I'm going to have wet shoes. Wet feet.
I took mine off just now because it started rubbing.
I forgot
They're wet.
all about my wellies. They're rubbing, are they?
These are the ones that rub on the bum
Oh.
when they get wet. Oh, look at the state of them.
Yuck, even worse underneath.
Yeah. Well, you have to know where he is.
He's in that corner looking over into the corner.
Oh, yeah.
There might be a fox or something, or rabbit, but he can't get to it.
So you could stand out there and go, "Nee,
Yeah.
catch me." That's all the way down to the car.
Yeah.
I think I shut my door.
He's lost us. He's turned around and thought they've gone.
Yeah. Quarter to 2.
Sorry?
Quarter to 2, so about 3/4.
Oh, God.
Already.
That's even gone quicker than normal.
Yeah. If I was on my own, this would be it. I'd be on the homeward
Yeah.
straight now.
Here's my other doggy bag. Oh. Should we sit on the back of the car or on the table?
I don't know. I want to feel the bench and see how it's going to be wet now.
Yeah.
It's warmer out here than it is
Down
by
there.
the car,
Yeah.
the cars under the trees. So do we want to be warm and wet or dry and cold?
Dry and cold, I think.
I was going for warm and wet.
Hey?
I was going for warm and wet.
Oh, were you? They were playing. I pressed play and they've stopped instantly. Yeah, you were telling them.
You know, like the tunnel and everything.
Yeah. You going back in the tunnel? Did you think we'd gone and left you when we were in the woods? Come on then, let's get a drink sorted out. Nah.
I like the expression on his face when he came out the tunnel.
Yeah,
When he went
thank
in
God
and-
there was an end to it.
When James was there, you know.
Oh, that's... Go and get a ball, Nook. Where's the ball?
Plenty to choose from, huh?
What? Come here. Oh, God. I'm so jealous. You are? I can stroke him if I want.
Well, I got to stroke you. I can't stroke. Can I stroke you? No, I can't stroke Nook. I'm not allowed. Get your bum out the way, bro.
What's going on over here?
I was stroking Nook.
How dare you stroke your own dog?
I haven't got anything to get off.
Bray, stop it. Get a ball then, Kane. Get a ball. Go and get a ball.
Go and play, then you can have treats. Go and play.
Ah, look, he's got one. Pick it up then, Kane. Pick it up. Go on, and you. Pick up a ball. Kane. Bray, even.
I haven't got one in here. I'd throw it for you. Nothing in here.
There's a ball in there, tennis ball, but it's This is a new toy. Why have you got an empty
So I know which one to get.
Oh.
I've run out.
Well, do you want to go to Asda afterwards then?
Liver. No, they're boots.
Yeah, but they probably sell them in
No,
Asda.
they don't.
What are they?
One a day, 7 C's, one a day.
Okay.
Half a day. Where's my food?
What? Pick it up then. Ray. No, you're called Kane. Pick it up. You pick one up, Ray. Ray, go and get a ball. Okay, don't. Don't then. What's this up?
Oh, sorry, Kane. I'm not very good with me throwing.
Pick it up, Bray. Pick it up. Oh! You'd never done that in a million years if you tried. There, well, you got the ball. Clever boy. I take it your ear must be much better. We'll use that stuff and wash it out when we get home, shall we?
Sticking with that tennis ball. It's strange, isn't it?
Yeah. Very odd.
Meant to catch it, Brett.
Come on, play with Sue. She'll get bored otherwise. No one to play with.
Playing it by myself. Like bowls, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, we could do that. Did he get it?
That's like he's been with me the last few days, throwing the ball. Oh, you get it then. You get it. Go on. Oh. Go on then. Get it. He wanted you to hold it while he pulled the other end.
Oh. Come on then.
Ray, get the toy. Go on, get the toy.
In your mouth.
Here. Here, look, what's this?
Oh, hang on. Bray's got a bit of action with Bray a minute. We tried. Now I've got to hold a cup of coffee.
Oh, I've got a headache.
Okay? Kane's got a collection now.
Yeah, pick it up then. Pick it up. Kane. Kane. Pick it up. Which one do you want? You've got all of them. There's Nook minding his own business, sitting there chewing his ball. Oh, shut that dog up. I can't, Nook, sorry. I've got every ball to fill his mouth, but...
You were worried when he wasn't barking. Now
I
he's
know,
barking
don't
again.
stop. Oh, watching Kane and not filming. Pick it up then. I've got a damp bum. Can you see it's damp? Ah.
Better than
Oh well.
last week I did some gardening. Only because the bins went going to the next day.
Quick, go and get it. Come on. I've thrown it. Look. Pick it up. Yay, clever boy. Clever boy, Kane. And you're a clever boy. You haven't done anything, but you're a clever boy. Yeah.
Badly, did they have to take him in?
No, it was a spaniel.